In today's data-driven world, the ability to organize, analyze, and present information efficiently is more important than ever. Microsoft Excel stands out as one of the most powerful tools for handling data, whether you are managing finances, tracking projects, or performing complex calculations. Welcome to Doki Hub. In this video, I will guide you through how to install and access Microsoft Excel on your Windows PC using free and legitimate method without any cost barrier. Let's begin by opening our web browser. I always recommend using Google Chrome while doing this, and also make sure your Chrome browser is up to date with the latest version. Now open a new tab and go to Microsoft Excel online page by typing excel.new in the address bar. After the page loads, you will be asked to sign in with your Microsoft account. I already have a Microsoft account that's signed in, but if you don't have a Microsoft account yet, go ahead and create one for yourself. The link is at the top right corner showing on your screen right now. Now once you sign in, the Microsoft Excel online interface will appear on your screen and look exactly like this. Normally, when installing a website as an application on your computer, the install icon always appears automatically on the right side of the browser's address bar. If you see that icon, just go ahead and click on it to install Microsoft Excel immediately. But if that's not the case and you don't see the install icon, don't worry at all. There's another easy way to get it done. Now look at the top right corner of your Google Chrome. You will see these three vertical dots. Click on those three dots and a full menu will appear. From here, scroll down slowly until you see this option right here that says Cast, Save and Share. Click on it and a side menu will appear. Inside that side menu, you will see this right here that says Install Page as App, or sometimes it may display as Install Microsoft Excel. Go ahead and click on it, and as soon as you do that, this small pop-up will appear here asking you if you want to install this page as an application. Go ahead and click on Install, and just like that, congratulations, you have just successfully installed Microsoft Excel Online as an app on your Windows computer. The great thing here is that Microsoft Excel now opens in its clean windows, just like any normal desktop application, without opening the full browser. Let's close everything for a moment and take a look at the shortcuts. When you check your desktop, you will see the Microsoft Excel icon created automatically. In order to use it, just double click on it anytime to open instantly. Let's open it again. Here it is, a clean Microsoft Excel interface running as its own application window, fast, smooth, easy to launch, and super convenient to use. The UI looks very similar, almost the same as the full Microsoft Excel experience. You will see the ribbon at the top with familiar tabs like Home, Inserts, Page Layouts, Formulas, Datas, and Review. Below that, you will see the worksheet grid made up of rows and columns, where you can enter numbers, formulas, and data. Everything feels just like the real Excel application, but this time a lightweight, fast, and accessible anytime from your computer. That is it, guys. You have successfully installed Microsoft Excel as a free app on your Windows PC or laptop without downloading Microsoft Office and without using any crack. Thank you so much for watching this tutorial on Doki Hub. If you find this video helpful, make sure to like this video, drop a comment below, and most importantly, subscribe for more simple tech tips like this. Thanks for watching, and I will see you all in the next video.